got another Asian snack box. Let's see what's inside. So cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's like these little pizza puffs. Ramune chewy candy. They seem like some sort of gummies. Got a bunch of like little stuff. Choco pie. Cute little mochi. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is that? Some mango wafers. There's so much in here. Oh my god. These like little cute potato biscuits. Oh my gosh. Little things in here. I got crackers. More crackers. Oh, Hello Kitty chocolate flavor. Oh my god. Wafer cookies. And some Hello Kitty biscuits with chocolate cream. Jellies. Jellies. This is like kebab. Chicken kebab flavor. I am so excited to try this. Honestly, you get quite a bit of stuff in this box. Like all the little stuff. Overall, I think that's a great box for the value. You get a lot of fun stuff and it's fun.